So this is the buggy that Carl has made for me. It's been shipped over from New Zealand. And I've seen a photo of it, but I've not actually touched it yet. Let's hope it is all as I expect. Wow, it's a little bigger than I thought. Spare parts. My gosh, that is it. That's quite incredible. Lots of wires, very soft tyres, there's hardly any air in them. Wow, that is quite amazing. Very heavy duty servo there. And this is the camera housing which I previously had, that I used for underwater shooting, that happened to be perfect for this application, for protecting the camera from large African animals. So this is part of the camera housing that sits in there, screws to the bottom, and this fits over the 16 to 35mm Canon lens to protect the camera, but it will still end up being covered in lion spit. Nothing short of that, and it doesn't smell too flash. That sits on there. It's remote controlled from a same control that I use for my quadcopter, and that's essentially it. You drive it around, it rolls up to a line. You can angle the tilt up a bit higher if you're dealing with things like elephants or giraffes that need a bit more tilt up, or if you want something flat on the ground, you can change these screw positions here and it will shoot parallel with the ground as opposed to shooting up. It looks good.